What's up, everybody? Today is the 7th day of the journey, 1 week. Wanted to give you some background on the progress and everything so far. Did not lose the 5 pounds I wanted this week, but I did lose about 2. And you got to give and take a pound there because there could be water weight, who knows. I had some days that I was not tracking, and I'll talk about my tracking later. But in the end, I lost, right now, as of this morning, 2 pounds, about a quarter to a half inch on my waist. It's tough to say because, you know, it's like there's that little bit push and pull. It's too little of amount at this point. Same with on the spare tire area, which I measure. It was about 1/3 of an inch lost there to 1/4 inch. So more actually on the less side there. Definitely less. That's not the first thing that goes for me. That's going to probably retain its size for a little bit. But overall, the progress is good. I started tracking, which is something that I'll be talking about in depth on another episode. But for this one, I just kind of wanted to talk about how far I've gotten in the first week and kind of wanted to say keep going. Now, as far as these videos go and why I started making them, it was I kind of wanted to give myself a goal for my daily walks, my 15 to 20,000 a day. But I did notice that it's eating into my day a lot more, editing and trying to do more B-roll and stuff like that every day for every video. It's a little bit too much where it's sacrificing parts of my life and other things that are probably more important at this time. Education and growth in the future is more important than these videos being done daily. So I need to stop doing these daily, not stop filming, but kind of sit on the footage and make a better, more consolidated, longer video. 2 minutes is cool. I really love short videos, and I don't understand why people like longer ones, but this does make sense to be a little bit longer because you can just listen to it. Imagine if last week's videos were all in one as like a block of one giant lesson broken down. I could be a little more cohesive with it and maybe write it out a little better. That's kind of what I'm thinking. So it's actually an improvement that I do agree that this particular format of updates and ideas makes sense altogether. When they're strung out, you might miss a point, and I don't know, it's just a little bit missing. But so expect more consolidated videos, and I want to go around with the tripod and get more B-roll casually and not make a big thing of it just takes too long, really, guys. It was taking hours and hours every day, and it just doesn't make sense in the end. And I think that's kind of what we have to look at too when it comes to all of minimalism is, cut out the stuff that's just not important. And it's a lot like laundry. You don't kind of take one sock, wash it, dry it, hang it, and then same, wash one shirt, dry that shirt, hang it, wash pants, dry it. You just put them all together, you do the batch, and batching is super efficient. Again, this is all about minimalism, and if I'm sharing my journey, I want to be able to batch the journey itself, and I think it'll make it a little more cohesive. So that's it for today. Till next time. Cheers.